Okay.
Can we get it?
Yeah, it's going. What do you want to say?
I will say, why are we going to the hospital?
What?
Why are we going to the hospital?
Oh, yeah, why are we going to the hospital, Liam?
Because you broke your knee.
Oh, I broke my knee? Ow, it really hurts.
We
Can you drive me there?
Yes, I will.
Here's the keys. So you put the key inside your mommy's leather couch, right?
Yep.
Just like that. Very good.
Magic touch.
And you have the magic touch.
Now at the hospital.
Wait, we didn't sing the song in the car. What was the song that was on the radio?
Okay, there we are at the hospital.
Okay. Well, bye. Bye. We're at the hospital now. Gotta go.